Hello students, how are you? Okay, let's start our lesson. Class 1, subject English B. Topic is sentence. Today we are going to learn about sentence. What is a sentence? A meaningful group of words is called a sentence. Look at this. A meaningful group of words is called a sentence. A new sentence begins with a capital letter and we put full stop at the end of every lesson. These are the examples. This is a fish. He drinks milk. I live in Lahore. Ali goes to school. We play games. These are the examples of a sentence. This is your home activity number 1. Punctuate the given sentences. I have a new car. This is wrong sentence because we use I capital. And at the end we put full stop. This is full stop. You go to Lahore. You. This is a house. There is no full stop. We put full stop at the end. And T is capital. The bird is flying. There is no full stop. We put full stop at the end and then in the first T capital. The dog is barking. T small letter we write capital letter. And at the end of the sentence we put full stop. This is your home activity. What is a sentence? उधर से बताना पड़ेगा मुझे इधर से या वैसे बोल दो ठीक है. This is your home activity. Question number 1. What is a sentence? A meaningful group of words is called a sentence. Second question. Make sentences of these words. These are the words play, book, tree, gate, leave. Okay students, hope you enjoy this video lesson. Stay blessed.